Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this slash vibration effect to your text in CapCut PC. I'm just going to make this a little bit longer, and I'm just going to type in the word example. I'm also going to change the font into something a little bit cooler, maybe this one. Then I'm going to right click, create compound clip. You can leave the color like that. Go to effects and you're going to type in slash vibration. Sorry, you can hear my keyboard. I just had to clean it, and yeah. Anyways, you're going to select this. This is a pro feature, and you're going to place it into the text. I just selected it and placed it inside like that. And it will show you this effect. Go to video, go to effects here, and select the edit button. You can change the color to whatever you want. I like this purple one. You can adjust the glow, the strength as well, the size, the speed, etc, etc. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!